So good morning, students. Today we will start from page number 41 of your chapter number 4, evaluation of communication. Okay. In our previous class, we have discussed about what is communication, what are the communication before electricity, communication, those are invented after electricity, and communication devices, those are invented after computers are invented. So today we will discuss page number 41 after computers. It means we are going to discuss about those devices which are used in communication nowadays. Okay, so let's start. After computers, in the last 50 years, computers have become easily available to everyone. We have started using computers for communicating with others. We can share a lot of information with many people using computers. We can send letters on a computer. These letters are called emails. Okay. So after computers are invented, considering last 50 years, computers have become easily available to everyone. It means everyone nowadays can easily use computers. And computers have become one of the most important devices to communicate with another person. By using a computer, we can share a lot of information with other person. We can also send letters on computers. These letters are called emails. So what are emails? The letters which can be sent on computers are known as emails. Look at here. Internet, also called net, connects multiple computers together throughout the world. With permissions, users can get information from any other computer or directly talk to the other person on the computer. Okay, so what is internet? Internet is also called net. It helps us to connect with multiple computers together throughout the world. Okay, now we will go to the smartphone or mobile phones. A smartphone is a combination of computer and telephone. We can use a smartphone to connect to the internet and send messages to other people. We can also make video calls from anywhere. As you all know, today you are also using smartphones, okay, via which you are able to communicate with me in the Zoom app. Okay, so what you are using now is also a smartphone, and smartphone is a combination of computer and telephone. You can make a phone call by using a smartphone, as well as you can send messages, watch videos, surf on nets, okay, on the smartphones also. Let's see. I can tell, give any three uses of smartphone. Okay, I have written here some examples. You can write it from here, or otherwise you can make on your own also. So give three uses of smartphone. First one is sending and receiving emails, texts, photographs, and multimedia messages. Second one, browsing the internet. Third one, mobile payment for goods and services. Okay. Today we can use smartphones in many things, such as to send, receive emails, texts, photographs, and multimedia messages. We can also use smartphones to browse the internet. We can also use smartphones to make mobile payments for goods and services. Okay. Now come to page number 42. How do we communicate now? How do we communicate now? Today, we use many methods of communications to share information with the people that are far away from us. These methods use a computer and the internet. It takes only a few seconds to send a message. Also, we can look for any information on the internet. With the help of computer or phone connected to the internet, we can read news, find new informations, and speak to the people in different parts of the world. Here are some common tools we use. So how do we communicate now? Here it has been informed you to that nowadays we are using many methods of communication to share information with the people that are far away from us. For example, we are using smartphones, we are using computers to make video calls or phone calls to the person which who is far away from us. We can also look any information on the internet. If you want to search anything or you are unable to understand anything, you can just type it on the Google's search engine or Yahoo search engine, then you can understand or you can get any information about anything. Okay. With the help of computer or phone connected to internet, we can read news, find new information, and speak to the people different parts of the world. By using computer or smartphone, which is connected to internet, we can search news, we can find new information, we can share photos, videos, documents to the person who is far away from us. So these are some examples of tools which are used for communication nowadays. First one is email. Okay, first one is email. Email stands for electronic mail. Okay, email stands for electronic mail. It is a letter sent via the internet to the user. To send and receive emails, both the sender and the receiver should have an email address or email ID. Okay, so email stands for electronic mail. As we are not using any physical document for sending the mail, that's why we can call email as electronic mail. It is a letter sent via internet to the user. So we can send email via internet to another person. To send and receive email, both the sender and receiver should have a email address. You cannot send an email to a person who does not have any email address. Okay, so you should have an email address, and that person that you are going to send the email should also have the email address. Only in that case you are able to send the email to the person. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail are different email providers. There are also many different email providers to send or receive emails. So those companies' names are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail. Those are known as email providers. Okay, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail are known as email providers. Gmail or Google Mail is the most widely used email service today. So which one is the most widely used email service today? Google Mail or Gmail. Okay. The second mode of communication nowadays is social media. The social media is used for sharing messages, pictures, videos with a group of people. Okay. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and YouTube are a few social media websites or applications used for different purposes. So what is social media? Social media is a platform which is used for sharing messages, pictures, and videos with a group of people. Okay. And what are some examples of social medias? Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and YouTube are some examples of social media websites. Okay. Facebook, Instagram, and Smart Chats are used to share photos and videos with friends. Okay. So we use Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchats to share photos and videos with our friends. Twitter is mainly used to read and share news. So Twitter is a platform which is used to read and share news. YouTube is used specially to create and watch videos. So YouTube is a social media platform which is used only for creating and watching videos only. In the last 200 years, the way we communicate has changed completely. New methods of communication have made the world smaller. We must use it properly and responsibly. It means, as you have already know, before electricity is invented, to send a small message may take days of time. But nowadays, we can send 200, 300, 500 pages of a book to another person within 1 minute. Yes or no? So this type of modified communication have made the world smaller. Okay. So before using those platforms, we should be more careful. Okay. We must use the platforms properly and responsibility. It is also our responsibility to use the platform properly. Okay. Knowledge Byte. Look at here. Yahoo is the first email company that was born on 1994. So which email provider is the first email provider? Yahoo. Okay. Yahoo is the first email provider which is born on 1994.